what's up guys? Thank you for coming back again to my channel. On our last video, we were discussing about how we can get UPC codes for our products. On this video, we're discussing about how we can list our products on Amazon without using a UPC codes. So there is a program that Amazon has. It's called a GTIN Exemption program. What is GTIN? GTIN is a global trade item number. So the Amazon page, it always asks you to put a number that identifies your product. In this case, if we apply for GTIN exemption, we do not have to have a UPC code. So I will show you which process I use to get exempted from it. Okay, so this is the home page. If you want to come here, you just go to catalog and you click add products page. When you scroll down all the way down, you will see what is a GTIN. So it will explain to you what it is and what you do about it and stuff. You click learn more and it will bring you to this page. On this page, you will get all information you need to know about the GTIN exemption program. So you scroll down all the way and you will come to this place. It says how to request a GTIN exemption. So I will be clicking over here and it will bring me to this page. So once you get to this page, it will ask you for which product category you would like to be exempted. So you click on the select and it will bring you to the category sections here. Let's say you want a pet supplies section, categories I mean. So you select what category you want, and over here you will be writing your brand. In my case, I have a brand name for my business, so I will be writing down my brand name over here. If you don't have a brand for your product, you can write a generic. As you see over here, it says generic. You will write generic over here and you click over here. Once you click for check for eligibility, it will be popping up another page there. On that page, Amazon is asking you information about your product. Over there, Amazon will ask you to enter your brand name that is exactly shown on the package of your product. And the second one is Amazon would like to see an image of your product that is taken while you are holding it on your hand or on the table. Amazon just want to make sure that is not a computer generated image or something. The third thing is your brand name has to be permanently affixed on the package or the product. By saying that, your package has to have the brand name exactly that you wrote over here. So you will attach all those information. If you have an invoice also, you can attach every information you have about that product, and Amazon will be like, I think it waits like a day to be approved or not to be approved. Okay, so once you submit all that information, you wait and see your case log area to see if there is any email. Usually they email you back right away. So once you get approved, wait another 30 minutes before you use it, then it will start. So once you get approved, when you add a product, you do not need to insert any UPC codes here. So right away you just start listing your products using the brand name. Instead of the UPC code, you go and write your brand name while you are listing and you are good to go. I hope you learned something from here, and I tried to make my video shorter this time. Thank you for watching.